sucker.
We're back! Hey!
I want a sucker.
Go over there.
All the way over there.
Pause. Hey. Do you like the jams?
Should I get blue or green?
I don't care. It doesn't matter. Whatever you like better. Pick a color.
Which
Okay.
do you have?
Huh? I have green. I have blue. Get a blue one. So it's symmetrical. I guess.
What if blue sucks though?
Blue doesn't suck. I have blue. It's awesome.
Shape of Santa Claus.
See? Santa, that's the other one. Mine was an ornament. Mine too. Beth, you should just follow around me. Follow me around. And whenever I need you to scratch my head,
I can do that.
My cat's Russian. That would be cool though if your cat was Russian. Guys, we should start a band. A what? A band. Awesome.
I tried to get Forward to Nowhere going on a music video a while ago, but then they stopped making music.
Whoa, that looks really weird. Do that again. This part. I can't do it. Like, these things, I have a long neck. You do. I have a short neck.
For
One of
real.
those things
Look
if
at
we
that.
just put ourselves together. Oh my gosh. Your neck is like a giraffe. I still have really long neck. Wait. Does it tickle if I just touch your neck? Are you serious? You're nuts.